What is data harmonization? Think about buying a replacement screw online for your kitchen drawer. You search the internet and find you have no idea whether the screw you just ordered and the one you need are actually the same. So you end up buying a variety of screws only to find that none of them work. Imagine if there were one place where you could find standardized, comparable descriptions of all the screws ever made, a place that included information on whether a particular screw would fix your drawer. You could easily find exactly what you need, saving you time and resources. Let's use grant applications and reporting as another example. Many forms and online data collection systems are built independently without knowing what other systems are like. This creates many issues. For example, an address can be collected using Street 1, Address Line 1, and Street Address Line 1. The same information is asked, but the questions appear differently. Secondly, different forms may use the same question to obtain different information, confusing people who have to fill out multiple forms. Report type is a common question on many forms. One system may be asking whether a report is the initial or revised report, while another may be asking whether the report is an annual or a final performance report. This creates problems for everyone. Users filling out the forms are confused. Programs receive inaccurate information, and data cannot be easily compared or analyzed across systems. This is why we need data harmonization. Data harmonization combines data from different sources to create a dictionary of comparable, integrated, and consistent descriptions. Within the CEDAR library, our data elements are the questions and fields from grant-related data collection systems. These data elements may come from either online data collection systems or paper forms. We define and standardize these data elements, resulting in usable information with a common vocabulary and structure. Systems that adopt standardized data elements create interoperability across systems, making cross-validation, centralized reporting, and other data analytics possible. The data elements presented within CEDAR Library have been harmonized using a standard approach. We'll use the example of a form to explain. First, we break a form apart into building blocks. These are the data elements. Then, we find all the fields across forms that collect the same information and assign a unique descriptive name to each element. For this field, from two different systems, although the labels are the same, they are collecting different information, thus assign different data element names. For each unique data element, we compare all sources and propose a set of attributes. These attributes, like the measurement for screws, describe the data element. For example, date can be presented in different ways. A calendar drop-down that automatically saves a date value, a field collecting month, day, and year, or a free text field that you can enter anything. We propose all dates to be presented using the calendar drop-down on the interface and saved as a date value in the database. Finally, each form is represented by a set of harmonized data elements. These recommended standards create a central place where users can find shared data elements across forms and attributes for each element. The result of this process is what you see in the CEDAR library. We repeat the process for each new data source. The proposed data elements and attributes are constantly reviewed and refined to respond to new requirements.